My new delicious Greek style egg muffins, 1 smart point each. Great for breakfast, brunch, lunch, snack, after workout, for company. Risa Weiner YouTube. Super delicious and easy, of course. How you doing? So what's for lunch today? Well, we're gonna have a couple hard-boiled eggs, some of this nice seasoned chicken breast meat that I get at Walmart. You can use any kind, of course. A slice of turkey bacon. I have this delicious sesame Melba toast, 2 points for this, and some cucumbers for a nice, well-balanced lunch with high protein, low carbs, and I might even have some opadil dressing. So super delicious, low fat, high protein. Guys, so what's for lunch today? I have a delicious open-faced turkey and tomato sandwich. But before I start showing you everything, don't forget I have lots of lunch ideas, breakfast, brunch, dinner, snacks, desserts on Risa Weiner YouTube. So I toasted a couple of my Betty bread, whole wheat, super delicious. Any bread, of course. I like having 2 slices, sometimes one. It depends how hungry I am, right? And when you toast it, it just takes longer to eat. That's my little tip. Of course, if you have leftovers, I had leftover steamed veggies, some asparagus and green beans, and I like them hot or cold. Why not? Some sliced cucumbers and some beautiful tomatoes that were in season. I like to sprinkle a little pepper on it for some more flavor. I love the Hellmann's mayonnaise, the half the fat, 1 tablespoon, because, why not? You can splurge. And if you don't like mayonnaise, you can use mustard. You can use Greek yogurt with different seasonings, okay? And of course, the turkey bacon that I've crisped up. I love the butter ball, and it's 1 smart point each. So it'll be 2 smart points for that, 2 smart points for the bread. And let's see, if I put in 1 tablespoon, it will be 1 smart point. So for 5 smart points, you get a huge meal. I like to eat it open faced because it takes twice as long to eat it. I know. Or you can make a sandwich, of course. My recipes are versatile. Make sure you have your measuring spoon out and don't try to eyeball it, people, because you're only fooling yourself. All right, so that's my tip. Always measure and make sure you have a nice, well-balanced meal, because that's what's key to your success on this journey. All right, you have to have well-balanced. If you skip the carbs and you're going for a more high-fat, everybody does what's good for them, but I like things that are well balanced. Look at this plate. It's humongous and filling. All right. So check out lots of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you get all my newest videos sent to you by email. Okay. And my Facebook group, Risa's Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. My Instagram, Risa's Piece 8. And of course, my website, www.risaweiner.com, for lots more motivation and inspiration. I say I may not be an expert, but I have lots and lots of experience during this journey. Okay. And I hope I can pay it forward to you guys. Bon appetit. Enjoy this meal. Here's dinner: kasha with shirataki noodles, some steamed vegetables with a little bit of Romano cheese. Of course, I can't believe it's not light butter, and my kasha with onions and some steamed vegetables with some Zerto cheese, and I'll sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice. That's for dinner.